The impact of cold water consumption on digestion and overall health has sparked debate and differing opinions. Let's explore some of these differing beliefs, and you can decide for yourself what's best for you. Avoiding cold water is a tenet of traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM. The Chinese believe that all food and drinks should be consumed at normal body temperature, or 100 degrees or greater, because cold foods weaken the spleen, kidneys, and stomach. According to millennia-old practices, cold water disturbs the body's optimal balance, or qi or vital life force, because it requires the body to work harder to regulate core temperature and stresses vital organs. The spleen serves various roles, including distributing blood and nutrients throughout the body. Additionally, it plays a crucial role in generating and circulating vital life force. A healthy flow of qi without blockages benefits the body by aiding digestion, absorption, blood circulation, and immunity protection. Moreover, the spleen contributes warmth to the kidneys to ensure optimal functionality. Qi circulates more efficiently in a warm environment, which enables the spleen to adapt to moderate temperatures easily. Conversely, colder temperatures hinder qi circulation, affecting the spleen's ability to provide warmth to the kidneys and maintain their optimal functioning. It is believed by TCM practitioners that cold water has been observed to significantly affect digestion by shocking the system and causing the stomach to contract, leading to a slowdown in the digestive process. This slowdown can hinder the body's ability to break down food effectively and absorb essential nutrients, potentially contributing to digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, and nutrient deficiencies. Additionally, drinking cold water can result in the constriction or narrowing of blood vessels called vasoconstriction, reducing blood flow to various organs and tissues. This vasoconstriction may impair the efficient transport of oxygen and nutrients, leading to dehydration and other health complications. Prolonged vasoconstriction due to frequent consumption of cold water could exacerbate existing health conditions related to poor circulation. Considering these findings, traditional Chinese medicine and other disciplines that align with this way of thinking advise those to reconsider the habit of regularly consuming iced water, particularly during or after meals. Instead, individuals are encouraged to opt for room temperature or warm water, which is gentler on the digestive system and less likely to cause vasoconstriction. Anything under 98 degrees Fahrenheit will still feel cool compared to the temperature in your mouth. Moreover, listening to the body's cues and adjusting water consumption habits accordingly can help mitigate potential health risks associated with cold water intake. While some argue that drinking ice-cold water all the time is harmful due to its potential to cause blood vessel constriction, the reality is more nuanced, especially in Western medicine. While arteries may temporarily constrict in response to cold stimuli to prevent chilling of the blood, surface vessels in the throat and stomach return to normal once the ingested liquid warms up. Nonetheless, research suggests that individuals who regularly consume warm beverages may harbor fewer harmful bacteria in their noses and throats compared to those who regularly consume cold drinks. Warmth can support the effectiveness of white blood cells, enhancing the body's defense system against harmful pathogens. It's worth noting that abdominal blood vessels exhibit an opposite response to temperature changes, constricting with heat and dilating with cold. Therefore, applying cold to the abdomen can increase blood flow to the organs located there, while warmth temporarily reduces it. This physiological response explains why using a hot pack can alleviate period cramps by reducing blood flow to the uterus. In conclusion, moderation in all things remains key, with individuals advised to enjoy cold drinks on hot days and warm beverages on chilly days to maintain optimal health and well-being. Another question that people ask is it safe or advisable to drink ice-cold water during a heat wave? Well, drinking cold water during a heat wave is generally safe and can be beneficial for cooling down the body and preventing dehydration. Cold water helps lower body temperature and provides immediate relief from the heat. It also helps replace fluids lost through sweating, reducing the risk of dehydration, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke. However, it's essential to drink cold water in moderation and be mindful of any potential adverse effects, especially for individuals with certain medical conditions. Drinking extremely cold water rapidly or in large quantities can cause temporary discomfort, such as brain freeze or stomach cramps, but these effects are typically mild and short-lived. In summary, while cold water is generally safe and recommended for staying hydrated during a heat wave, it's essential to listen to your body's cues, drink water at a comfortable temperature, and avoid excessive consumption to maintain optimal health and well-being. Whatever your preferences, just remember that the most hydrating water is the one you actually drink. Thank you for watching. Please like and share, comment, and subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips, and we'll see you in the next video.